Hello, today I'm going to show you how can we use and what is the purpose of, in resource sheet, cost per use. Now, let me repeat from my previous video. I have John with $100 standard rate, Mary with $300 standard rate, and material which is $10 per piece. I have here 5 days task, and I assign John 100%, Mary 50%, and I have also 100 pieces. And if I use task usage, I will see that John is going to work 40 hours. 40 hours multiplied by $100, which is his standard rate, is $4,000. Mary is going to work 20 hours, and her standard rate is $300. So basically, this is 20 multiplied by 300 is $6,000, and one piece of material is $10. Since we have 100 pieces, total is $1,000, which in total for a task sums to $11,000. 4,000 for John, 6 for Mary, and 1,000 for material. Now, let me go to resource sheet. Okay, and let me put cost per use $100 for all 3 resources, just for simplicity matter. So, if I go back here, okay, I will see in task that the total amount is $11,250. How is it so? Let's go to task usage here. John is going to work 40 hours multiplied by $100, which is $4,000 plus cost per use, plus this $100. Now, Mary, she is going to work 20 hours multiplied by $300. It is multiplied by 20 hours multiplied by $300 is $6,000, plus now something which bothers me, and I don't feel it right, but okay, it is how it is, plus not 100, but 50% of 100, because Mary is assigned to a task with 50%. So since Mary is assigned with 50%, it will take 20 hours multiplied by her standard rate plus 50% of this $100. And last but not least, material 100 pieces multiplied by $10 is 1,000, and now let's go back, plus 100 is $1,100. In total, that means that John's task is $4,100, Mary's $6,050, and for material $1,100. In total, this is $11,250. Now, let me show you again. If I now extend this task to let's say 4 days. Now, let me explain the calculation. Calculation is 4 days multiplied by 8 hours per day for John, because he is assigned for 100%, is 32 hours. Mary is going to work 50% of that, is 16 hours, and materials, we have 100 pieces, let's say 50 pieces, okay? Okay, now I change everything. Let me show you the calculation. 32 hours multiplied by $100 is $3,200, plus, since John is assigned 100%, plus the full amount of John. It is $100. So here, $3,300. 32 multiplied by 100, 3,200 plus 100. Mary, on the other hand, is going to work 16 hours. 16 hours multiplied by 300 is 4,800 plus 50% of cost per use. Okay, so this is 50, because 50% of cost per use for Mary is $50. And last but not least, material is 50 pieces multiplied by $10 is $500 plus cost per use is $100. So what is cost per use anyway? Cost per use means that amount here, 100 for John, because, here, 100 per John, because he's 100% assigned, 50 for Mary, because Mary is 50% assigned, and the full amount for material is going to be added to a task as a fixed cost, no matter if the duration will be decreased or increased. To prove you that, I'm going to say 1 day. Okay, 1 day, it's 8 hours for John. 8 hours multiplied by 100 is 800 plus 100 cost per use. 1 day for Mary is 4 hours. 4 hours multiplied by 300 is 1,200 plus 50% of cost per use, which is 50. And material, let's say that I have only one piece, it will be $110. Those $10 for one piece plus cost per use. So cost per use is something like, I will tell you example from my country. When you have say that you need something to fix in your bathroom and you need a plumber, the plumber will tell you, I will charge you, let's say, $100 per hour, and the total amount will be the 100 multiplied by time spent, means effort. So if it will be 4 hours, I will charge you $400. If I will stay 8 hours, it will be $800. If I stay only an hour and a half, it will cost you $150 plus travel expenses. So just to show up, they will take from you $100, the plumber here. So basically, cost per use is cost which is going to be calculated on the maximum of assignment. So it will be calculated from this field multiple by assignment units, which is for John, in my case, 100, for Mary, 50%, and it will be added once per task. So no matter if I have 100 days, you will see that I have $200,260. If it will be 1 day, I will have $2,260. So cost per use occurs only one per task, and it is calculated for work resources by assignment units. 100%, 50% on whatever can be for work resources, plus the full amount for material resources. So it can be useful sometime, but on the other hand, I don't like that if I assign Mary 50%, which I did, that Microsoft project took only 50% of this cost per use. I would rather do it with full amount, which is in my case cost per use, which is $100, but it is not case. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.